Okay, here we go, guys. Old transmission lines are out, finally, without taking the starter out. Thank God, I was able to do some wiggly. So we'll get the new lines going in. Had to relocate the negative line because whoever worked on the car prior had put the old transmission lines and looped the negative line under them. So it was an absolute nightmare to get out. So now that that's back up and out of the way where it belongs, oops, sorry guys. There we go, we're good. Now I can get the new lines in, get those taken care of. We have the new fittings and new lines to go for here. Because you can tell they're still leaking and they're old and nasty. So we'll get these all done and taken care of. So, okay. And the other people I work with are doing what?
Say who? What? You just taking a video of my butt?
I was.
Oh, baby.
It was pretty. It was pretty.
Why'd you say I got air function?
Do you need to finger it out? Okay, here we go, guys. We'll have this done in a couple of minutes and I'll give more video update. And we have the new bracket to hold the lines in place so they don't go jiggly like these were. And we'll get it all taken care of. All right, guys. See ya. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody's dying around me, coughing their brains out. We have the first one in place. New fittings, clamps, hose, metal, all the way through. And in place, I've got the clamp that holds both lines side by side so that they don't rattle and break. And we'll get that in a minute. But yeah, we're getting there. One left. All right, guys. We'll keep you updated. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can see everything. Let me get a little light up in here. And here we go. We are done. Clamped, clipped, in place. Make sure nothing's rubbing. There's room. Everything's been bent. Wiped down a little bit really good. Waiting on the oil filter. We thought we had one in stock. We didn't. So, waiting on a filter. Yay. Everything's taken care of. In place. Up like it's supposed to be. Clamped. So, yeah, we're doing good. What are you doing?
Fixing the leaky.
Oh, yeah. The other one. Gotcha.
First, he's going to go on Redbird now till I fix this, and then we're going to switch back, and then I'm going to do the carb for that, and then, I'm getting stuck, and I'm fat, and we're losing our minds, but it's fun.
Dude, also, you just got fucking hot as balls.
What do we say, Bernsey?
Hot as balls?
Yeah.
What?